Hi guys, my name is Nifatina Jiha I'm gonna show you on how to use Blooket as a teacher for the first time. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Google account and search Blooket and then click enter. Now click the first one you see here, then it will appear like this. If you never used Blooket before, you are going to create an account. So to do that, you need to click on the sign up button. If you already have an account, just click the login button. I'm gonna pick the teacher one. By the way, to create a Blooket account, you must be 16 years old or above if you are living outside the United States. So please be careful. You need to enter the month and year of your birth, and if you are living outside United States, please click this and then hit the next button. Now you need to enter your email and then your password. Now you can create your own username, for example me, teacher 10. Now we are at the home page. I'm gonna click at my username, then click settings. You can search your school by searching it, but if you don't want to, that's fine, just close it. This is where it shows your personal profile like my username, email. You can upgrade to Plus Blooket for more features. You can also edit your personal information anytime, anywhere, like if you change to another email or you want to create a new password, so it's all here. I don't have any question sets yet, but if you have created, it will appear here. So there are 2 questions for us to choose. You can create a question set from scratch or you can discover the pre-made question. Since I am a biology teacher, so I'm gonna search for biology questions. So let's say I want to search for respiration topic, so it turns out like this. You can choose the question set that has cover image or not. You can choose the minimum questions like 5, 10 or 25, or you can choose the minimum place. It's up to you. Now I'm gonna pick this one. Now you will see there are a variety of questions. There are image questions that ask students to figure out the answer. What's the name of this image? Then let's take a look here. This is the example where the respiration happened. So student can click one of the 4 different choices that students can choose from. Teacher can add this question set as favorite or copy it. But if you want to copy, please make sure you upgrade to Plus first. Then click the 3 dots here. You can share by copy to clipboard or download it as worksheet. This is how it looks like. Teachers not only can print the worksheet, but they can also print the answer key as well. You can also report if it contains inappropriate contents in the question sets. If teacher want to assign as homework, just click here. Now you can set a due date. You can edit the homework title, for example, biology for amoeba, this is for my class. Can edit the homework goal, for example I want my student at least got 12 questions correct. Then you can click assign now. Students can scan the QR code or click the link to do their homework. After all the students finish the homework, it will show the result here. How many total correct and incorrect answers, total student who done the assignment. So teacher can update the homework, teacher can delete or download the report. So this is the leaderboard and questions like the questions 1, there are 5 students who got answer correct, for example. Now let's move to the game. You can play solo or you can host the game for the students. If you want to play solo, just click here. Then it will show you there are so many types of game you can choose. Now I'm gonna click the host game. There are various of interactive games like Crypto Hack. We have Tower Defense 2. We have Cafe and more. And you can select a game mode like classic mode that works like a usual quiz, but now I'm gonna pick a racing game, then click host. You can set the question if you want to end the game by score or time. Then you can set the question goal. For example, I will put 10 questions. Then you can edit the racing settings, for example to allow power-ups, to show answer correctness. Then you can choose time penalty. You can customize it to be random order questions. And for me, I don't want my student to join late the game. To start the game, just click host now. Student can scan the QR code or search play.blooket.com and enter the code given to play the game. I'm gonna share you the teacher and student's point of view. So on the right is from student's perspective and on the left is from teacher's perspective. After entering the game code, student can enter their nickname. Now just enter my name, Tin, as the nickname. Then this is my avatar. While waiting for the other students to join, you can actually change the look or change the avatar. You can go ahead and select one of these characters. I picked this bear avatar. So just for the example, we already have the students. Now we are ready to start the game. On teacher's POV, this is better for teacher to use projector or screen in the class so students can see themselves racing against each other. So on students' POV, they need to answer the questions correct to move forward until the finish line. So if students get incorrect answers, they will not move backwards but remain the same. Students can also use the power up to help them in the game. At the end of the game, it will tell you what places everyone came. For example, I won the first place, so it will show the accuracy, the percentage of questions you get correct, and some helpful information and feedback for the students. So at the students report, it tells you the percentage for the whole class, leaderboards, and the questions. But the questions you need to upgrade to the plus first. To create your own question, you need to click create a set. To create your own question, you can create it manually from scratch or import it from Quizlet, spreadsheet, or you can generate from CanMingo. CanMingo is actually a new feature. You can try it, but you need to sign up first. Now I'm gonna create it manually. First, I need to upload the cover image. I can upload it by URL link or file or upload it from my gallery. Now I put the picture, then I add the title and description here. For example, this is respiration question for my class. You can choose to set it as public or private access. Just click here and create set. Here you can add questions or edit information and time limits. To quickly add question, now click the add question button. You have two types of questions to create. Either you want to create multiple choices or typing answer. If you want to use the multiple choice, this is the question text area and the colorful boxes here are the answer options. Then you have to tick for the correct answer. It also have the option to add image to this question. You can add math equation or you can add audio. Here we can see there is time limit. You can add the maximum time to a student can spend on a question. You can randomize the order of the answer. You can also change from multiple choice to typing answer. On the typing answer, you can choose either it's exactly or contains type of answer. Now I'm gonna make my own question, as many as I want. Just wait for it. Now please double check, and if you are happy with this, then click save. So these are the features that you will see: your mindsets questions, your favorite questions, history, homework. You can play the game by entering the game ID, the code number here. This is settings. I'm gonna show you your dashboard where you can change or customize your Blook. You can check your class pass, your Blook usage, history, and state here. This market is the place for you to purchase items by using your Blooket coins by playing so many quizzes game. You can add this item to be added in your Blooket collection. This is especially for students so that it will improve the engagements in classroom and they will be more excited to play the game. I think that's all from me. Thank you for watching. Bye!